In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact SpotHero. First, you will want to open a web browser. This could be any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. The browser is your gateway to the internet and allows you to access the SpotHero Help Center. Make sure your internet connection is stable so you can navigate smoothly. Once the browser is open, you are ready to move on to the next step, which is crucial for finding the assistance you need. Next, go to the SpotHero Help Center. You can do this by typing the URL directly into the address bar or by searching for it. The Help Center is a valuable resource filled with articles and guides that address common issues. It's designed to help you find quick solutions without needing to contact support directly. This is important because many questions can be answered right there, saving you time. Now, browse the help articles or search for your issue. The Help Center has a search function where you can enter keywords related to your problem. You will see a list of articles that can provide guidance. Take your time to look through the options. This step is essential because it helps you determine if your question has already been answered. If you find a relevant article, it can save you from having to contact support at all. If you still need assistance, select the option to contact support. This option will typically be located at the bottom of the article or in the Help Center menu. Once you click on it, you will be directed to a contact form. This is your direct line to SpotHero's support team. They are there to help you with anything that wasn't resolved through the articles. After that, submit your request and provide your reservation details if applicable. Fill out the contact form with as much information as you can. Include your name, email, and a description of your issue. If you have a reservation, make sure to include your reservation number. This information is vital as it allows the support team to assist you more effectively. Once submitted, you will see a confirmation appear, giving you peace of mind that your request is in progress. Next, you can also contact SpotHero by phone or email. If you prefer to speak directly with someone, calling might be the best option. The phone number is 844-324-776-8. For those who prefer writing, you can email support@spothero.com. Both options are available to ensure you get the help you need in a way that suits you best. Note that if your issue involves an active parking reservation, it's best to have your parking pass, reservation number, license plate number, and payment details ready before contacting support. This preparation makes the process smoother. You want to ensure the support team has everything they need to assist you quickly. Finally, SpotHero recommends contacting its customer hero team as soon as possible if you're unable to access your reserved parking spot or if you experience issues during your reservation. This prompt action is crucial because parking problems can be time-sensitive. The sooner you reach out, the faster they can help resolve your issue. I hope this guide helps you navigate contacting SpotHero efficiently. Remember, they are there to assist you with any questions or issues you might have. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your SpotHero experience.